Hey, what's going on everybody? Benji Kaiser here today talking about how starting a YouTube channel changed my life. And this is just going to be kind of a breakdown of how I got started. I started at the end of September in 2017, and since then I've been able to start sharing what I know about graphic design, and I just went through really a process of finding what I wanted to talk about on YouTube. I really just started this off just curious about what running a YouTube channel was all about. I started off talking about data analytics and just various job topics, just trying to see what people would be interested in. And I have a very strong background in graphic design. So I got my bachelor's and my master's degree in graphic design, and I never really realized how much people were curious about my industry that I worked in. And so I started to release a few videos about it. I started to talk about my knowledge, and people were quite responsive at that. Really, I just started this channel because I wanted to try something new. I wanted to push myself every single day to wake up early, to post a video, to try and help others know and understand what it's like to be a graphic designer, and also the tools and the tips that they need to get into the industry. So I challenged myself. I challenged myself to do 30 videos every single day. And now I do take a break on Sundays to rest, so it was 6 days per week. But I did those 30 videos, and then I challenged myself to continue that up to 60 videos. So I did 60 videos in a row. And really what I want to say is how when you think you want to do something, you just have to really dive in. You have to fully commit to that. You have to not think about what the results are going to be, but more of what you're going to learn from that experience. And that's what I've really learned. I've learned how to be diligent. I've learned how to edit. I've learned how to make my videos better. I mean, if you go back and look at the first video I made on this channel, it is nowhere near the quality and the production value of what I can do today. And so even at just the value of getting better at what I do, if that's all I did, it was worth it. And so when I started this, I had no idea of the results of what I've experienced just this past week when I started my new job at a digital marketing agency as a digital marketing manager, a job that I never thought was possible until years and years later of experience. Oftentimes you look at job posts and they'll say, you know, digital marketing manager or creative director or senior graphic designer. In these positions, you need like 3 to 5 years plus experience to even qualify to apply for the job. And I've always wanted to be kind of a marketing manager, somebody who kind of oversees projects. And it was really because of this channel that I found that opportunity. It just led to me being able to come on with their company and start to oversee their marketing strategies and what they do every day as a digital marketing agency. So my point is, you never know where something's going to go when you start it, but you have to start, you have to commit, you have to get going, you have to push through the hard times. There were times I definitely wanted to give up. There were times that I was super tired waking up at 4:20, 6 days a week to produce these videos and staying up late to film them and post them and trying to figure out the YouTube algorithm and all the things that go along with putting videos on YouTube. And so what I want to say, what I want to put out to you in this video is you don't know what that inkling is going to produce in the long term. So that thing that you're so interested in doing, if it's graphic design, if you want to be a graphic designer, then just jump in, start doing that. Please ask me any questions you have about graphic design, about being in the position of a graphic designer and things that you want to learn. I would love to answer those questions for you. I'd love to make videos that would help you out specifically. But today this video is really just about how starting a YouTube channel really changed my life for so much of the better, and how I didn't foresee the impact of it, not only on my life, but on the lives of others. So if there's anything you're wanting to start, just dive in, just get going, because it will truly change your life. I'm Benji Kaiser of BenjiKaiser.com. Thank you so much for tuning into this video today. If it has helped you at all, please hit the like button, send me a comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date on all the videos I'm putting out. I'll see you here on the next episode.